Dunkin' Donuts hot winter beverages are a line of non-coffee-based beverages. Contrary to what the name implies, these beverages are enjoyed by guests all year round. The varieties offered include our rich and creamy hot chocolates, available in a variety of flavors, and Dunkaccino, which has a rich blend of chocolate and coffee flavors. Guests can customize their Dunkaccino or hot chocolates with optional whipped cream topping, flavor shots, or a turbo shot of espresso. Open the front door of the hot beverage dispenser and you will see the hoppers, ejector elbows, and the whipper chambers. You'll also see a spout for dispensing hot water. This can be used when making oatmeal or hot tea. The normal program rinse switch is located inside the dispenser near the whipper chamber on the right. The switch must be in the normal position when dispensing beverages, and rinse when cleaning and maintaining the dispenser. Hoppers should always be filled above the minimum product line for proper operation. At least once each shift, check the product level in the hoppers. Checking at the start of your shift will ensure you will be ready for your guests. During peak periods, check hoppers regularly or periodically throughout the day. If there is no powder, only hot water will be dispensed. Never fill above the maximum fill line, and do not pack the hot chocolate powder. The control panel on the front door is used to select product variety and beverage size. The dispenser is factory set to dispense mix and water in the correct amounts. When properly calibrated, the dispenser will automatically fill the cup to the fill line. Hot winter beverages are made using the same size cups as for hot coffee: small, medium, large, and extra large. Now that you've been introduced to the various parts of the dispenser, you're ready to learn how to prepare a beverage for a guest. Select a medium cup and mark it based on the guest's order. Place the cup on the dispenser drip tray under the spout of the beverage requested. Then, select the beverage size to dispense. When the beverage flow stops, carefully move the cup from the drip tray to the counter. Place the lid securely on the cup and serve. There are additional ways in which to serve this delicious beverage. Flavor shots, turbo shots, and whipped cream can all be added upon guest request. If a guest orders any of these, be sure to mark the cup accordingly. Request whipped cream. Place 3/4 of an ounce of whipped cream on the top of the beverage. If a guest orders a turbo shot, first go to the espresso machine and add a single shot of espresso to the cup. Then, going back to the hot winter beverage dispenser, press the reduced fill button, then select the beverage size the guest requested. If the guest requests a flavor shot be added to the beverage, add it to the cup first before you dispense the beverage. For guests who want to purchase hot chocolate in bulk, the Box O' Joe carton provides an easy, convenient way for guests to take home 10 cups of their favorite hot winter beverage. Mark the variety ordered on the box with a circle or check mark. Slide the drip tray back. Line up the Box O' Joe carton with the dispenser spout. To start filling, select the Box O' Joe button and the small button. To finish filling, place a clean, sanitized funnel inside a clean, sanitized empty carafe. Again, select the Box O' Joe button and the small button. Remove the funnel from the carafe and place into the opening of the box. Pour product from carafe through the funnel to finish filling the Box O' Joe hot chocolate. Twist the cap onto the box. At some point during your shift, you may need to fill the dispensers with the powder mix in order for the hot beverage to be made properly. Click the steps below to learn how to fill the dispenser. Open the access door of the dispenser. Turn the ejector elbow on the hopper to face upwards. This will prevent powder mix from spilling out of the hopper when it's moved. Lift the hopper slightly to remove it from the cabinet. Then remove the lid from the hopper. Pour appropriate powder mix into hopper above minimum product line sticker. If using a new bag of powder mix, cut the bag at the top with clean sanitized scissors. Close and tightly seal the unused portion of the powder mix. This can be done by using a clip or keeping the product in its bag and placing the bag in a food storage container with a cover. If you are filling an empty hopper, then use shelf life labels. Mark the 30-day shelf life on the hopper and, if necessary, on any unused powder mix left in the bag. If you added to powder mix already in the hopper, then the shelf life label does not need to be changed. If you see bags of powder mix that are past the expiration date stamped on the case, throw away and notify your manager. Place the lid on the hopper. Next, you need to place the hopper back in the dispenser. First, make sure the hopper is in the appropriate location, and then push it all the way back into the compartment. Once the hopper is in place, turn the ejector elbow down and close the dispenser door. As with other equipment, the best and least expensive preventative maintenance you can do is to keep the dispenser clean. To maintain the hot winter beverage dispenser, there are tasks that need to be completed once every 8 hours, once a day, and once a week. These tasks are detailed in the Equipment Care Guide in your restaurant or on OpSource. Check with your manager to see which of these tasks will be completed on your shift. Every 8 hours, you need to rinse the whipper chambers. To do this, follow these 4 steps. 1. Open the dispenser door and put the normal program rinse switch on rinse. 2. Place a Volrath pitcher under the spout. 3. Press any size button corresponding to that spout. 4. Put the normal program rinse switch back to normal before dispensing any product. Refer to the Equipment Care Guide for the specific steps to cleaning procedures. Always take the pieces back to the 3-compartment sink at the appropriate times to be washed, rinsed, sanitized, and air-dried. Every day you need to disassemble, wash, rinse, sanitize, air-dry, and then reassemble the whipper chambers entirely. Every week you need to disassemble, wash, rinse, sanitize, air-dry, and reassemble the hoppers and clean the cabinet.